Hello and welcome to the WallMantra show, where you can get all the tips and tricks to decorate your home like a professional interior designer. I'm your host Aryan. We all want that rich and affluent look for our homes. Today I'll show you how to create a luxe look for your home. Tip number 1. The lighting. For luxe look, yellows and warm white are the key when choosing the lighting. Choose light with crystals, glass and metal-like reflecting elements. Tip number 2. The walls. Go for neutral wall colors like white, grey and blue. Choose wall accents with metal and glass elements in it. If you like art, go for a painting with very less number of colors in them. Tip number 3. Furniture. Choose furniture made of metal or with metal highlighting in it. For upholstery, go for white or off-white leather material. Tip number 4. The floor. Always cover the floor with fur or thick carpet for completing the look. So, that's all for today, peeps. For more professional tips like these, stay tuned to the WallMantra show every Friday, Saturday and Sunday at 6.